Today we're going to bring in a phone cleaner, and this pretty much works for any kind of phone, iOS or Droid. You guys can see they give you a little handle so with a brush, and this is a little thick brush so you can use it. Now this looks like a pen as you can see it, but if you open it up, there's actually a cotton, and this cotton part is also for your iPods, all right, your AirPods. If you have some, you could use it for your AirPods and clean it up. Now on the other end, there's actually a brush on one end, all right, and there's another hidden area that we're going to put this on the corner. And there's another hidden area where you actually open it up, and there's a thicker brush right here, along with a cute end. With actually, it looks like a calligraphy pen, but this is actually to grab some of the dust particles that you have in your phone. So let's go ahead and use it and put it together and see how it works. For your AirPods, there's very simple. For your AirPods, it's very simple. You could easily clean it up in the middle. Easily clean it up in the middle. Clean up some of the ends. And here, if you could grab some of the ends in here, if you guys can see that, grab some. And this is to grab any kind of dust particles that you have, all right? And then this will completely clear out any earwax that you have left over or something. Just make sure that you're aware of that. And then your microphone, make sure there's nothing in there. And that's it. That's pretty much what you can do with this one. It's pretty much grabbing little dust particles in there. So let's go ahead and move on. For your AirPod holder, once you remove the AirPods, if you guys can see it, it's always best to clean it down at the bottom because they do rest in there. Make sure that they're nice and clean. Every single hole in here, nice particles cleaning. Make sure everything in. That's what it is for, right? It's pretty much to dip it in there and twist it and clean it. Getting nice and clean down at the bottom so you don't have any kind of loose ends, all right? That's what it is. We're going to use a Droid for a phone here, and we're going to use a thicker one. I like to actually move this part right here, if you guys can see that. And then with the phone, you can actually grab some of the ends. Just make sure that you're aware. And this is a Type-C that I'm using right now. So make sure you grab any kind of particles in there. And then you could use this end too, if you guys can see that. This end could go in there. Or you could use a thicker one. And then you have another option, which is the other thicker one too. And clean it up, and you'll be able to charge very simple. So I like all these tools. I like that they give you all these accessories all in one. You don't have to carry multiple accessories with you. It's all carrying one in one area, and it looks like a pen. And very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.